Hi, I'm Dan Rowe. I work for Sony Airpeak division for North America. I'm business development. We're here with drone nerds in Houston at the Energy Drone and Robotics show, showing off Airpeak and some of the new improvements for the drone. So the reason for showing Airpeak is to talk a little bit about the recent improvements to the drone. The first two improvements have a lot to do with flight time. The new extended flight batteries and the new lightweight gimbal together combined for almost doubling the flight time that we've had when we originally introduced the drone. The batteries remain hot swappable, meaning you don't have to shut the aircraft down to be able to trade out the batteries for fresh ones. The other thing that you'll see by looking at the drone is a new addition to the lineup. It's our RTK system. There are two antenna on the drones that receive signal from this very small transmitter and tell the drone more accurately where it is, and allows the drone to focus on that and stay much more stable in flight, but also to be able to collect data, and with that data that it's collecting, we'll be able to understand and add geotagging so that you'll always know where that picture was taken and time and date. That's part of the geotagging system. Also on the drone today, we are showing the Sony Alpha 1 camera, which is a 60 megapixel 8K camera. So you can imagine the kind of resolution that you're going to get flying this kind of camera with a drone for inspections or for cinematography or photography.